we gonna make a video. What's the difference? A matco torque wrench versus snap-on. The first impression, okay, it's not bad, but the difference, matco have hard handle, no flexible head, 3/8. Screen's very small. Use 4 3-point batteries. There's no do. Where is angle? Angle torque is this matco torque no do it. The price is $415. No instructions. The snap-on one, very big difference. Flexible head, have the label on and off. Snap-on soft handle, big bright screen, have vibration when you missing the light. It's used 3 2-way batteries, and just for look, the impression, snap-on is better.